Barnaby and Doug in the woods, whispering tales and sharing goods, friendly smiles and lots to see. Come along with you and me. Whispering woods, let's play and sing. Forest friends all around we bring.
The Hiccup Curse.
Barnaby the rabbit was a whirlwind of fluffy energy, always bouncing, giggling, and mischievous. His best friend Doug the dog was his opposite, a big, cuddly, calm mountain with floppy ears and a gentle tail wag. They were best friends, exploring the whispering woods every sunny day. One afternoon near red toadstools, Barnaby hopped onto a log. "Fear me, Doug, curse of the Hiccups," he declared dramatically. He wiggled his nose and made gestures. Doug chuckled, but then Doug hiccuped. Soon he was hiccuping uncontrollably. Barnaby burst into laughter at Doug's unexpected hiccup, his eyes sparkling with mischief and delight. Doug, embarrassed yet amused, hiccuped again, his floppy ears bouncing with each sound while Barnaby rolled on the ground beside him. Barnaby, still laughing, tried to mimic Doug's hiccups, his tiny body shaking with each exaggerated sound as he laid on his back in the grass. Doug put his paw to his mouth, attempting to stifle a laughter-filled hiccup, his gentle eyes sparkling as he watched Barnaby's antics. As the laughter faded, Doug's face turned to worry, his big floppy ears drooping, as he realized the hiccups were becoming a problem. Barnaby, still playful, stood on his hind legs with a serious expression, holding his little paws together in front of him as if deep in thought. Doug glanced towards Old Man Turtle's burrow, nestled in the gnarled roots of an ancient tree, knowing wisdom awaited inside. Barnaby hopped excitedly beside him, his eyes gleaming, pointing in the direction of Old Man Turtle's home, filled with determination. As they approached Old Man Turtle's burrow, a cozy scene unfolded with soft light spilling from the entrance. Inside, Old Man Turtle listened attentively, his wise, wrinkled face curious as Barnaby animatedly explained the hiccup dilemma. Old Man Turtle sat patiently on a mossy rock, his expression one of deep contemplation as he considered Barnaby's explanation about the hiccup curse. Doug then demonstrated his hiccups with a loud hiss, sending a nearby dandelion puffing into the air, its tiny seeds fluttering like fairies in the gentle breeze. Barnaby watched intently, his large eyes wide with anticipation, surrounded by colorful flowers swaying gently in the breeze. Finally, Old Man Turtle lifted his head, a wise smile spreading across his face as he prepared to share a secret that might help Doug. Old Man Turtle gestured with a wrinkled hand, pointing towards a dense part of the whispering woods, where the trees seemed to whisper secrets. Barnaby and Doug exchanged excited glances, their expressions filled with eagerness as they prepared to embark on their journey to find the silent owl. As Barnaby and Doug ventured deeper into the whispering woods, they were surrounded by tall trees with sunlight filtering through the leaves, casting a warm glow on the forest floor. In the heart of the woods, they stopped to listen intently, the air thick with anticipation as they focused on the sounds of the forest, searching for any signs of the elusive silent owl. Barnaby cupped his ears with his paws, squinting into the distance, as he tried to hear something that might lead them to the silent owl determination etched on his face. Doug stood beside him, his eyes wide with hope, while a gentle breeze rustled the leaves in the background, adding to the sense of adventure. Suddenly, a soft fluttering sound caught their attention, and both Barnaby and Doug turned their heads in unison, excitement lighting up their faces. A majestic silent owl perched on a low branch, its feathers blending perfectly with the surrounding tree bark, watching the duo with wise, penetrating eyes. Barnaby pointed excitedly at the silent owl, his eyes sparkling with delight, while Doug clapped his paws together in joy, their laughter echoing through the woods. The silent owl tilted its head curiously, its large eyes reflecting the shimmering light, as if it was amused by the antics of the two friends. Barnaby began to mimic the owl's movements, flapping his arms and twisting his body, while Doug watched in laughter, unable to contain his joy. The silent owl shifted its position slightly, its feathers ruffling as it regarded Barnaby with a bemused expression, intrigued by the playful display. Doug joined in on the fun, imitating Barnaby's silly dance, while adding a few hops of his own, creating a light-hearted atmosphere filled with laughter. The silent owl, now fully engaged, tilted its head from side to side, as if trying to understand the amusing spectacle unfolding before it. As their laughter crescendoed, Barnaby suddenly paused, looking around with a thoughtful expression as an idea sparked in his mind. With a wink and a grin, Barnaby whispered to Doug, conveying a mischievous plan, while the fireflies began to twinkle more brightly around them. Doug's eyes lit up with excitement as Barnaby explained the plan, his tail wagging furiously while the surrounding darkness began to glow with firefly light. Barnaby and Doug stood side by side, their expressions determined yet playful, ready to embark on their next adventure under the starry sky. With a burst of energy, Barnaby dashed forward into the woods, leading Doug with him as they prepared to enact their clever plan. The moonlight illuminated their path as they raced through the trees, their laughter echoing softly in the night air, creating a magical ambiance. They arrived at a clearing filled with shimmering fireflies, their lights dancing in the dark as Barnaby and Doug caught their breath, eyes wide with wonder. Barnaby knelt down to gather a handful of twinkling fireflies, his expression a mix of concentration and joy, while Doug watched closely, eager to